Arts Workfly.
Okay, good day everyone. So this is a pack of drawing pencils that I have for over 15 years now. I try to cherish them. I didn't want to use them. Even these fine ones, some of these I had from high school. I just saved them. Even those beanie ones, I just kept them in a pencil case, and I recently found a pencil case, so there they are. And these are the new ones that I bought from TEMU. And this is how I set up my drawing, my tools that I use for drawing. So if I get a commission, that is the tools that I use. So I am going to change them out, rearrange things a bit better. I bought a pencil case, and that is it right there. I got this from Fontana Pharmacy. So I'm going to transfer these into that pencil case right there. I must apologize for the end of the camera being in the shot. I didn't realize. I also bought this pencil case from TEMU. So I think I probably might use this one instead of the other one, but we'll find out together. So I'm trying to organize everything, trying to get everything on point so I can take more commissions also, and to just get back into the business of drawing and doing my artworks. At first glance, you can see that the pencil case is very strong. Look at the quality of this pencil case. As I mentioned earlier, I got this from Fontana Pharmacy. It was less than $4,000. I believe it was between the range of $2,000 and $3,500 Jamaican dollars, but don't quote me on that. But I know that it was a reasonable price for this. And as you can see, it holds a lot of pencil, and it has pockets at the bottom. It has pockets there where you can hold things in it also, and also a zipper there where you can probably put your needed eraser and your sharpener right there, and the pockets are there. So yes, this is an extremely good pencil case, or it could also be for your paintbrushes also. So I'm trying to just organize everything once again. Okay, so I'm still wondering if I should put these tools in the black pencil case. So I am not sure as yet, but you guys will find out. So right now I'm showing you the needed eraser that I got from TEMU. They short me off about 3 of them. I was supposed to get 10, but I think I got 6 or 7. I don't remember. But I was short. I think this is what, 6. So they short me 4. So I got 6 instead of 10. Okay, so I decided to put the pencils in here. So all my pencils will be going in here. All my drawing pencils, my needed eraser will be going in here, or probably I could put the needed eraser in the black one that opens up. But yes, all my pencils will be going in this one here. If you look closely on this pencil, this one has a split in it. If you want to check out the quality of these pencils, please to check out my other video. So I went ahead and put the other pencils inside of the pencil case. I am going to show you how it looks now. And by the way guys, if you did not see the unboxing video of this pencil case here, go ahead and check out my vlog channel. I got this pencil case from TEMU. It was very cheap at the time. It was about under $5, probably $1, because I got it on sale. So guys, I will see you in the final organization video because I have these to pack out, so stay tuned for that. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.